Welcome back to Tech Talk, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating paper titled Guarding Digital Identity Attention Guided Fusion for Detecting Forged ID Documents.
Oh, that sounds incredibly relevant right now, doesn't it? With so much of our lives online, protecting our digital identity is crucial.
Absolutely. The paper, by Gargi Surendra Yol and colleagues from IISER Bhopal, addresses a growing problem forged ID cards.
And I imagine with advanced AI, these forgeries are becoming super realistic, right? Like hard to spot with the naked eye.
Exactly. Generative AI can create incredibly convincing fake IDs. Traditional verification systems are really struggling.
So, this research is about building a better digital bouncer, essentially, something that can tell a real ID from a fake.
Precisely. They propose a new framework that integrates feature fusion with attention mechanisms.
Feature fusion and attention mechanisms. Can you break that down for our listeners?
Sure, they combine different types of AI models, specifically convolutional neural networks or CNNs and transformer based models.
Okay, so like using multiple expert opinions instead of just one, that sounds smart.
Yes, exactly. For CNNs, they used RESNET, 50 and Efficient Net. These are great at picking up local visual textures.
And then for the transformers, they mentioned VIT 16 and Swin transformer, right?
That's right. Transformers are good at understanding global relationships and context within an image.
So they're combining models that see the fine details with models that see the big picture. And where does attention come in?
The attention mechanism helps the system focus on the most discriminative parts of the ID. Like, hey, look here, this part is suspicious.
So it's like a spotlight highlighting the key areas where forgery clues might be hiding. That's clever.
It really is. This makes the system much more robust. They tested it on a dataset called Fantasy ID.
Fantasy ID? That sounds like a fun name for a serious dataset. What kind of data does it contain?
It has 786 genuine and 1,572 manipulated IDs in various non English languages captured on different mobile devices.
That's a good mix. So it's not just English IDS, making it more applicable globally. What about the types of forgeries? Uh,
They included face swaps and text edits, covering common manipulation techniques. It's a very comprehensive test bed.
okay, so they have a solid method and a good dataset. What were the results? Did their fusion approach actually work better?
Oh, it worked much better. Individual models like RESNET 50 alone had about 66% accuracy.
That's not terrible, but definitely leaves room for improvement, especially for security critical applications.
Exactly. But when they fused RESNET 50 with Swin Transformer with the attention module, the accuracy shot up to 96%.
Wow, 96%. That's a huge jump. So the combination truly leverages their complementary strengths.
Yes, the CNNs cache the fine-grained local textures, while transformers handle the global semantic dependencies. It's a powerful synergy.
And the attention mechanism just makes sure they're looking at the right things. This is a game changer for online identity verification, isn't it?
It really is. They found that detecting subtle forgeries or false negatives was harder than detecting genuine documents.
That makes sense. A good forgery is designed to fool you. So, what's next for this promising research?
They plan to explore lightweight architectures for real-time deployment and test on even larger, more diverse datasets.
That's fantastic. This attention guided fusion framework truly offers a robust way to guard our digital identities in this increasingly complex world. What a great paper.